How do you follow that, Russ?
Wow. Well, thanks for setting me up to follow that presidential speech there. Yeah. I'll keep it short and sweet. How about that? Look at a soggy start to our work week. This weather report brought to you by Rogers. And yes, a fair amount of rain on the radar right now. Across the south coast, it's rain. It'll be a little damp at times on parts of the north coast, but it's more likely to be a mix of sleet or freezing rain once again for the north coast inland sections around Terrace. We'll go region by region, show you what's happening with the weather report. But first, the satellite shot. You can see a large swath of clouds and rain here sweeping in from the south. Now, it's not really that mild out there, but we have temperatures about 5 or 6 degrees, and it may edge up towards a high of 7 or 8 before cooling down again through the middle of this week. The rain is here most of the day. It begins to back off a little bit out over Vancouver Island for the midday stretch, and that could allow things to dry out temporarily in the Fraser Valley and over the eastern half of Metro Vancouver. Our regional forecast over the southern half of the province, pretty much wet over the island. 6 in Nanaimo, 6 for a high in Tofino, about 7 degrees in Victoria. Now, keep in mind in Whistler, it's borderline at about +1 for a high. The current temperature is 0, and it's wet snow that could accumulate about 5 centimeters before more in the way of rain mixes in. Certainly trending sleety in Pemberton. Mostly cold rain for Squamish, but again, right now it's 2 degrees above 0. It might be a little sleety and then trend over towards rain in the afternoon. Across the BC southern interior, it's expected to be rather slippery with a mix of showers and flurries into Kamloops. A similar outlook for Penticton, 4 degrees, more rain than snow by the afternoon, but we are leaving scattered flurries in your forecast for both Kelowna and Vernon, and it's barely a degree or 2 on the high side of freezing. Hey, it's back to school. Finally, school day forecast for the kids. Lots of rain, a little bit lighter rain this afternoon, but on the whole, it's still a wet weather day. And then tomorrow, you get a break in the action. The wind shifts and things start to clear. They start to dry out. So 6 degrees Tuesday. It's dodgy for midweek. Yes, there's possible showers or flurries in the Wednesday forecast. Look at how cold it is. Freezing in the morning, only 4 degrees above in the afternoon. And the stormy day this week, it's Thursday. Heavy rain, strong winds, about 7. I do think things calm down after that, featuring a few breaks of sun on Friday and maybe for the weekend too. Thor, good morning to you. Happy Monday.
Yes.